Hello, good morning, Miss.
Morning.
Welcome to our office. Please sit down, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay, Miss, I'm Ulfa. As a staff member this is office, is there anything I can help you with, Miss?
Oh yes, I want to buy a plane ticket to Bali for next week.
Miss, whose name is?
My name is Fitri.
Okay, Miss. What date do you miss?
For Tuesday the 6th.
Okay, Miss. Miss, how many tickets do you want to buy?
Just miss one ticket.
Okay, Miss. Miss, here we provide three services, namely first class, economy class, and business class. Which one do you want to choose?
What the cheapest miss?
Economy class, Miss, with price 2,400,000 rupiah.
Okay miss, I will just choose economy class.
Miss, Thursday the 6th we leave at 5 p.m.
Okay miss.
Miss, can I have your telephone number?
Oh, you may miss 081
081
dare to 7
27
902
902
057.
057. Thank you, Miss. Miss, how about the payment, cash or transfer?
Oh, this is just a case miss.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
If that's the case, I will say goodbye miss.
Yes, Miss, thank you for coming.
You are welcome.